What is the other side? California?
Just imagine, if you were standing right here over 60 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
It has been said that as long as there is imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
Imagination? We got a lot of that around here. Right, Tinkerbell? Oh, atta girl, Tink. Sprinkle your pixie dust. Let's show them just how magical this place can be. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Where you can dream aloud, your heart will follow.
Get up and sing along. The moment's here now.
Inside we all know if we believe in the fantasy, it will carry us away, carry us away. You and me making memories today. Step into the magic. Watch the stories come to life. Step into the magic. Every color shines so bright. Step into the magic. Step into the magic.
Come on, Margie, step into ours. Step into ours. Step into ours. Like a birdie.
Step inside.
been so wrongly in my company. Time to munch an early lunch and hum-de-dum-dum-dum.
Is very unusual. Heffalump or woozles very sly. They come in ones and twosles, but if they so choosles, before your eyes you see them all fly. In mummies what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they feel so well that they feel rise.
There's more to see than can never be seen. More to do than can never be done. It's the circle of life. Every move's a song. Through despair and hope, through faith and love, till we find our place on the path of winding in the
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. Oh, Scooby-Doo, I want to be like you. I want to walk like you, talk like you, too. You see it's true, and if like me, and like to be human too.
Nemo, newcomer of orange and white, you have been called forth to the summit of Mount Wanahakalungi to join with us in the fraternal bonds of Tanglewood. If you are able to swim through the ring of fire.
Is there another way? He's just a boy!
As Walt Disney said, Disneyland will never be complete. And as the future will show us, with enough imagination, it will continue to build and grow on one enduring promise, that all who journey into its magical gates will feel forever young. And the magic, as Walt assured us, will never end.